Let me. I didn't prepare this one, but let me just walk through this question, see if you can solve this. So I give you a number lock, like the bicycle number lock, right? The bicycle number lock essentially is you can have something. This is showing 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Something like that, right? This is what you have. Okay. Every time you turn something, its cost is 1. Every time you flip one number, like 0 to 1 is 1 unit, 1 price. 1 to 2 is 1 price. So 0 to 2 is 2 costs, right? You click twice. Okay, so you have this. So the goal here for you is essentially to go from like 0, 4, 2 to like 5, 9, 1 in the minimum number of clicks. So that's the first part of the problem. This problem is in like multiple layers, so let's do the first layer. Okay? How do you do this?
So you individually move each
one?
one?
You have to move each one. And there is 9 here on top, there's 8 here on top.
So we see if we're going backward or forward makes sense, and then that way we can rotate.
Okay, so you can either from 0 to 5, how can you go? You can go to 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4,
and
5. Or you can go to 0 to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
So in this case both are same. So
okay,
you can
next.
take any. 4 to 9 is always go forward. 4, 5, 6.
Oh, no, even backward.
Yeah.
Why not?
Yeah, same.
Is
4 to
are
9 is
the
also
opposite?
same.
Is it?
Yeah.
5.
Yeah, 5 steps.
No, 5. One side 5, on another side will be 7, right?
No, it's same.
No, I think if you start
The way
from
we
four,
got
four,
with the 0 to 5,
five,
it is same as 4 to
6,
No, it is
7,
from 4.
8,
So 4,
9.
3, 2, 1.
Okay?
Yeah.
4, 3,
3,
2,
2,
1,
1,
0, 9.
It's same basically.
Same. So these are like
Yeah.
opposite.
2 to 1 is always reverse.
2 to 1 it goes.
Yeah.
So far, so easy.
Yes.
Okay. Now the condition is that certain numbers are banned. Certain numbers are banned. So you cannot go to something like 662. Not allowed. At no point of time
There should be 662.
you can reach 662.
Okay.
Makes sense.
And there's a bunch of numbers which are bad. So one number is easy, you can easily avoid that. You can
Yeah.
basically say, you know what, I'm going to make 0 to go to 5, I'll never come to 662, I'm fine, right? I mean, the game is over, it's not a big deal. But what if I actually say that all numbers which are actually beginning with like, none of the numbers, there's only like few legal numbers. Everything else is illegal.
Only few legal numbers. Then it can be the same as what we
Same
did
as
just
what
now.
we previously discussed.
Which
Create
is?
a graph of the numbers that are connected.
At the end of the day. So the thing is that when you look at this problem, right, you don't think of it as a graph problem. You're thinking of this as a combination problem, right? You're trying to say I want to make the 0 to 5. You're looking at it individually, simplistically, right? But no, that's not it, right? Essentially 042, the neighbor of 042 is essentially 142
Yeah.
or 052 or 043. This is one up.
Yeah. And then
One down is essentially 942
Yeah.
or 932 or 041, right? Or 032, sorry, or 041.
Yeah.
And so on, and then you can just find the legal numbers and go for it. So at the end of the day, this actually turns out to be a graph problem, right? So
I thought in that way, I thought I am going wrong, they are coming up with clean solution. Instead of going easy solution, why I am thinking very complex graph way like that.
it's an interesting. This is like I heard it in some interview recently, so I was like thinking, hey, it's an interesting question. So the thing is that if you just purely start with a base question, it's a very simple math question. You just like figure out what the smallest answer is and then just go for it. The simplest one works. But the moment I say no, you have restrictions and you have like a lot of restrictions and a lot more restrictions, then the answer is very simple. Right?